So you too have got so irritated by this Telegram new update in which they ask for some kind of fee for sending a code to your mobile. You have watched many videos but none of them actually worked. So without wasting time, let's directly move towards the solution. And what is that? You have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, you have to go to the search button and search here VPN and hit the search button. And all the VPNs which appear up, you have to tap on any of them and install any VPN which you want. And after installing the VPN, activate it and then try sending code to your number through Telegram. I'm more than pretty sure that it will work. But if it didn't, then let's move towards the final solution which works for 100% of the people, which is you have to go to Google and search here up to down and hit the search button. And the very first website which appears up, which is named Up to Down, you have to tap on it and you will be redirected to its home page. After that, you have to tap on the search button available at the top right corner of the screen and search here Telegram and hit the search button. Now the very first official app named Telegram, you have to tap on it and scroll down and scroll through this page. And here you get an option older versions, so you gotta tap on that. Again, you have to scroll through this page and you have to tap on this button right here, which is 11.9.1. You can also install any older version which is older than the release date of May 3, 2025. You can also install 11.9.0 or 11.8 or so on. So in our case, I'm gonna tap on it, and after scrolling through this page, you have to tap on this download button and the Telegram app will be downloaded to your files in the form of a mod. Now, as I am on iPhone and iPhone does not allow the usage of any third-party applications, but if you are on Android, you have to simply install this downloaded mod. And after that, make sure that the number that you are trying to log in into your Telegram is first log into your WhatsApp. Now, after installing that APK or mod, open Telegram and this pop-up will not appear up. You will receive that verification code on your WhatsApp. From there, you can verify your Telegram phone number. So hope it works. Thank you so much.